The last few months for me have been so hectic, and as a result of all of this stress, a lot of travel, my hair has started falling out. And finally, I've come across the Flaxseed gel mix that's supposed to help you condition your hair and help you even grow your hair. That's what the claims are. So today, let's check that out. 1.5 cups of flaxseed. I'm gonna mix that with 2.5 cups of just water, and I'm gonna let it boil for around 7 to 8 minutes. You have to make sure that you're stirring often, and you have to ensure that the flaxseed is not sticking. We're around 5 minutes in, and like you can see, the texture is completely changed. Pass this through a sieve so we can remove and separate the flax seeds. I'm going to let it lay aside and rest for a couple of minutes, and I'm going to be adding some rosemary drops. This is supposed to stimulate hair growth, so why not? So like you can see, I'm just adding a bit, 1 or 2 drops, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, because I use all things natural. So this is right from the kitchen. So I'm just gonna mix it in, let it sit aside for around 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'll apply it to my hair. Putting this mask in my hair. So I've put it in, I've left it in for 30 minutes. I'm gonna go for a hair wash and I'll share the results with you. So I've just dried my hair, and I have to say it does feel a lot softer. So I think I'm pretty happy with my first attempt at the flaxseed gel. If you want to try it, I think you should definitely give it a shot. I'm going to be trying it maybe once a week and see what happens. The verdict is yes, definitely give this a shot.